खाना बहुत पसंद है लेकिन मुझे पकाना नहीं आता। बटर चिकन मुझे बहुत पसंद है, तंदूरी चिकन मुझे बहुत पसंद है। पहले लॉकडाउन में मैंने not the big jar but the small jar. I have finished that jar in the first lockdown, but कल मैंने बस I think like 3-4 spoons I ate. But yeah, shit. My mom watches. She's gonna send me back to school, I think.
Arman, thank you so much for your time today. We're going to be talking to you about food. Matlab, food is something that we usually don't associate with you, Arman. Matlab, I have scrolled through your Instagram account and all I saw were, your poses, your interesting photographs showing off your physique, and only one photograph where you are posing, maybe not like a master chef, but only one food related photograph. मतलब क्या है, खाना पसंद नहीं है आपको?
खाना बहुत पसंद है लेकिन मुझे पकाना नहीं आता, तो I have to depend on other people to give me the food I like quite a lot, because my ability to cook is very basic. So I'm like, eggs and noodles and stuff, so it's not good to have that much dependency on other people for food.
Right. So what exactly was this photograph all about, and what exactly were you trying?
No, so I was cooking some rolls. So a couple of friends of mine had come over, so I was cooking rolls where I just decided I went through a little phase कि मुझे अब खाना पकाना सीखना है. So I went through that phase. I think after they ate the rolls, they weren't too happy cooking, but it was still fun. So every now and then I do cook. I try, but I'm not good. So I would not invite you to eat my food unless you're really desperate.
So what is it that you're very good at cooking? मतलब जो खाना अरमान अपने हाथ से पका ले और खुद संतुष्टि से खा ले, वैसा क्या खाना है?
I think eggs. Eggs is something I can cook, like omelette, scrambled egg. बस उतना ही. हाँ, उतना ही. And apart from that, honestly, I would not recommend anyone eating anything that I've cooked. So I'm very happy eating other people's food. मैं खाना पका नहीं सकता हूँ, सच बोलूँ.
Right. So, Arman, now we have some food combinations for you. They're like very strange, and you would want to know if it's like absolutely normal for you to gorge on such food combinations, or it's downright disgusting. So the first food combination for you is French fries and ice cream. Like one dish. They're not separate. French fries laced with ice cream.
No, down and disgusting for me.
Broccoli pizza?
Yeah, I mean, not by choice, but अगर pizza के ऊपर broccoli होता तो मैं फिर भी pizza खा लेता. So maybe not disgusting, but not my choice.
Okay. Potato chips dipped in chocolate.
That's not bad. मैंने try किया है, काफी अच्छा है वो.
Oh, nice. Okay. Ketchup with eggs.
Not disgusting. Like I've had.
Burger stuffed with peanut butter.
Good.
Our next segment is, just to analyze what sort of food person you are, and we have a string of questions, just to analyze that aspect. You get excited for your meals. Is it true or not?
When meals are unhealthy, yes.
Achha. Snack time is the most important part of your life.
Snack time is the most important part of my life. हाँ.
पक्की बात है? यार वो देख के तो नहीं लग रहा.
पक्की बात है क्योंकि usually snack time is the meal I look forward to the most. क्योंकि मुझे अजीब टाइम पे भूख लगती है, तो I don't eat at the normal times कि जब लोग खाते हैं.
Okay, you've eaten Nutella right out of the jar. Spoon डाला Nutella मुंह के अंदर. हाँ?
Yesterday I've done this. Yeah.
You finished the entire jar? Or
No. पहले लॉकडाउन में मैंने not the big jar but the small jar. I have finished that jar in the first lockdown, but कल मैंने बस I think like 3-4 spoons I ate, but yeah. Shit.
And how did you stop yourself? मतलब कैसे डब्बा खाना?
I had to stop now. This is where that willpower comes in, I guess, a little bit.
And dessert is a staple in your house.
I wish, but no. मैं रखता ही नहीं हूँ घर पे. मैं चॉकलेट्स वगैरह ज्यादा रखता ही नहीं हूँ घर पे, क्योंकि अगर मैंने रख लिया तो मुझे पता है मैं खाऊंगा. तो इस न्यूटेला बॉक्स के बाद मैं एक और खरीदने नहीं वाला हूँ वैसे भी, because that's the only way for me to.
तो जब मीठा खाना होता है तो what do you have?
नहीं मतलब I have to control, और मुझे रात को ही क्रेविंग आती है, which is the worst part. तो sometimes dark chocolate is I guess a healthy option.
Yeah.
वो उससे कभी मन खुश नहीं होता है, तो it's a problem.
There are a lot of food items, that are commonly misspelled, and we wanted to understand if you can get them right. All right? Frittata. How do you spell that?
Frueta.
You've got it partially correct.
Is it FRUI?
TTATA.
अच्छा, sorry. I thought कि trick question होगा, इसलिए मैंने I को E में बदल दिया, but I think I should have stuck with the original instinct.
Right. Another one is like, the next one is pretty easy, omelette. But people get it wrong most of the time.
OMLETTE.
You want to give it another chance?
OMELE. Shit. I'm not good at spelling. Wait.
It's OMELETTE or OMEL. They're the double.
Yeah.
Barbecue.
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 My mom watches this. She's gonna send me back to school, I think.
But this is what all of us, we all make these mistakes. Gnocchi.
Sorry?
Gnocchi.
KNOKI.
That's the pronunciation is very different from spelling. You want to give it another chance? Okay, it starts with
GNOCCI. My bad. GNOCCI.
Okay, you got it partially correct. It's GNOCCHI. Gnocchi.
Oh no way. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
What exactly do you mean by your staple diet? When talking about, only health conscious food items, that you're focusing on. Why don't you tell us something about that?
So, I mean, पहले लॉकडाउन के दौरान मैंने intermittent fasting शुरू की, तो that actually felt really good. I mean, for the gut healing and generally from a perspective कि मतलब अगर weight loss के लिए भी काफी अच्छा है, I think intermittent fasting. तो what I would do is सुबह मैं सिर्फ पानी पीता था, maybe have a black coffee बस. उसके अलावा I think my first meal would be post workout. तो वो मैं खाता था. Mostly I have like मिक्सचर है जो उसको पका के फिर फ्रिज में रखते हैं. उसमें एक नेचुरल स्वीटनर जैसा कुछ जाता है, कुछ नट्स और फ्रूट्स, बेरीज, स्ट्रॉबेरीज या जो भी है. तो दैट इज माय फर्स्ट मील मोस्ट लाइकली. फिर उसके बाद आई थिंक आई हैव अ स्मूदी एट सम पॉइंट, जिसमें सब वेजिटेबल्स, एक प्रोटीन पाउडर, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स खाना बहुत पसंद नहीं है. मैं ब्रोकली खा सकता हूँ, बीन्स खा सकता हूँ, लेकिन स्मूदी के थ्रू मैं थोड़ा अपना कोटा हाई कर लेता हूँ. तो वो स्मूदी का ऑप्शन भी है जिनको अगर वेजिटेबल्स खाना पसंद नहीं है, तो दैट्स अ ट्रिक आई यूज. उसके अलावा लंच इज यूजुअली क्वाइट सिंपल. मैं या तो चिकन, राइस, वेजिटेबल्स खा लेता हूँ इंडियन खाना में, या कोई पास्ता, चिकन, ब्रोकली, एंड देन आई हैव अनदर स्मूदी. एक और स्मूदी पी लेता हूँ मैं, और वो कार्ब्स नहीं खाता हूँ डिनर पे. तो आई मे बी फिश, चिकन और ऐसा कुछ खा लेता हूँ, उसके साथ वेजिटेबल्स. तो वो काफ़ी सिंपल डाइट है. ऑफ कोर्स अगर मैं चीटिंग की बात करूँ तो इनमें से किसी भी मील को अगर मैं रिप्लेस करना चाहता हूँ, अगर कोई क्रेविंग है पिज्जा खाने का या किसी चीज़ को खाने का, तो मैं कर लेता हूँ. मैं रोकता नहीं हूँ अपने आप को, अनलेस मैं स्पेसिफिकली ट्रेन कर रहा हूँ एक फिजिक को अटेन करने के लिए शॉर्ट स्पैन में, तो फिर ऑब्वियसली आई बिकम अ लिटिल स्ट्रिक्टर.
कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर डिश है कि बहुत बार खाया है और फिर भी मतलब 10वीं बार भी जब खाएगा तो वही रिएक्शन था?
हाँ, तो फिलहाल एक रेस्टोरेंट है मुंबई में, अमेरिकानो, इटालियन रेस्टोरेंट है, जो मैं आई थिंक 10-15 दिन में एक बार खा लेता हूँ. वो डिलीवर करते हैं, तो वो दैट्स माय फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट इन बॉम्बे राइट नाउ. तो वो मुझे हमेशा वो रिएक्शन आता है, क्योंकि वो उनका खाना बहुत अच्छा है. तो इट्स माय फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट. वो रिएक्शन वो बार मुझसे वो रिएक्शन निकाल पाते हैं. तो प्रॉप्स टू अमेरिकानो.
Okay. And any other food memory that you would like to share? मतलब जो आपके दिमाग से कभी नहीं गई है, मतलब ये जो किस्सा हुआ था ना मेरी लाइफ में, this will remain with me forever.
So I once went to a dhaba in Punjab in Chandigarh, which was completely random. मतलब हम बस ऐसे ही गुजर रहे थे कहीं से, and we stopped at a dhaba, which was just unbelievable. So that is one memory. I think the ones that you remember are the ones you don't go with this hype and expectation. You know, कभी-कभी कुछ बस मिल जाता है, something on the side of the road or something somewhere, and that usually, when you don't have expectation in life, like I think things kind of seem better. But yeah, there's many. I'm gonna go practice my spelling a little bit after this.
All right, but thank you so much for speaking to us. That was a quick, fun food chat that we had with you, and we're sure that our viewers will take into consideration the tips that you shared, just to ensure that we stay healthy and not only gorge on fatty foods and keep Nutella jar completely away.
Yeah, I mean, I would just say that, find balance. Like everything should be in moderation, and, make sure you work out, stay healthy, and try and learn how to spell before someone asks you how to spell and you mess it up. That's about it.